Look at this black product. What kind of material do you think that the black product was made from? Easy, it's made from plastic. As this clear product which next to it need to assembly with a black part. Oh yeah, that's really a smart answer. Many people believe that it's made from plastic, but actually it's not plastic, but aluminium, which was made from die-casting mold. Shirley, really? The aluminium should like this, or this one. Okay, well, seeing is believing. Let me show you the original aluminium product. You may have a question now. Why the color of this aluminium product is black? Well, I will tell you in a minute. Hi everyone, welcome to my another video. My name is Shirley. We are a professional plastic injection mold, die casting tool, and production manufacturer in China. Now I'm gonna tell you why this aluminium product is black. But first of all, I would like to share with you about the 3D mold design of this die casting mold so that you can have a better understanding of die casting tool. By the way, if this is the first time you come to my channel and want to know more about plastic injection mold, die casting tool, CNC machining, and production both for plastic molding and die casting production, you are in the right place. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Okay, let's get started. There are many different types of steel you can choose to make a die casting mold, such as 813, 2344, SKD61, AS9U3 French brand, A380 USA brand, ENAC 14,000 European brand, YL102 Chinese brand, and ADC12 Japanese brand. Different types and brands of steel have different price and some different performances. You need to have a full consideration of your product requirements, such as where is your product to be used for? Is there any surface finishing required? How many of the production quantity? Whether there are mass production or low volume production, and so on. As this will help you to choose the right steel for your products. Of course, there are more steel which can be used for plastic injection mold, so please go to watch this video if you haven't. Okay, let's go back to the question. Why this aluminium product is black? Actually, this is because the product has added an electrophoresis processing. It is one kind of secondary operation after molding, just like painting, coating, and plating. Let's take a car which we are using it every single day as an example. As we know, many of components from the car look like metals, but actually many of them were made from plastic. Different processing has different prices and different effects, that's for sure. Then what's the difference between die casting mold and plastic injection mold? Do you want to know? Then please leave your comments below and I will make the video in my following weeks if you're interested in it. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give my video a like and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Peace.